So today we're looking at the Pathfinder Stainless Steel set. This is the PFM40 Cookset. So this is a copy of the M44 Swedish mess kit. It is a 3-piece set. So you have the frying pan, the windshield, and your big cooking pot. So it has everything the M44 has. I've done a video on that already. I just wanted the stainless steel version because that gives me more options if I did want to make a wood fire in here. Plus all those warnings about aluminum in your food or aluminium in your food. This would take that out of the equation, and this is going to be very sturdy, so it'll last longer. So that's my lunch sorted out. So we got some sausage and mash. Obviously the lid didn't fit the Pathfinder kit, but it does fit my M44, which is where I got it from. So that kit there is from the M44. You can see that in my last video. So if you wanted to store this, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the best bits from the M44 kit. That's my kitchen. I showed that in the last video. But we're going to put it all into this respirator bag, well, fuel pack they call it. So it has pockets on the inside. Can you see that? Yeah. So it's pocket on the side here. So you could put maybe your long fork or something else in there. There's one on the opposite side. Then you have two outside pouches here. Hopefully my fuel can fit in there. Has a zip on the front, so it does expand a little bit. So I just thought it'd be a good idea. Has your webbing on the back, shoulder strap. So I could probably add some stuff to it if I wanted to, but I don't think I need to. But I'll pack this up in a bit and I'll show you. All right, so that's lunch done with. Everything you see here was in my bushcraft bag when I slimmed it down. So that was in there as well. So this is the first time putting this away. I haven't used this yet, so it's the first time testing out the Pathfinder Stainless Steel one. So alright, so it fits in the bag. You have a ton of room still left over. I'm probably going to transfer some stuff like this and just slip it in the side there or something like that. The windshield would fit easy on top. So will the grill and that little grill I made for in case I want to do a fire on here. I might even be able to get this in there. Hey, look at that. So I can even get my cook kit in there. And that's everything really. And I'll stop anything from falling out. I like that. And then I still have the outside pouches here. So let's see, I can definitely fit that one. Let's see if I can fit that one. Yep, that will fit. Can I put that one in front of it? Yep, so that's enough for boiling water and cooking there. And I still have this empty pouch here. And then my original one's empty. So yeah, I mean, the only thing I can add in there is the stuff from the other one. I can't put the stove in there because it's still hot and I want to melt the ring. But yeah, I can definitely put all this in there. So I'll do that as well. And then I'll just leave that empty. I'm gonna keep this with this. So if I ever grab this, I already have a stove with it. I don't have to look for it. Small windshield also fits on the side pocket with the 2 flasks of spirit, just in case you wanted to know that. The Swedish cup fits in there perfectly as well. Just gonna put some other bits and bobs in there to make sure the space is used up. These are coffees, teas, sugar. I have that little light and a lighter. Utensils. All that in there. And I'm probably going to put my multi-tool probably in the side pouch there so I can get to it quick. Yeah. Yeah, all in all, I like it. Let's give some final thoughts on this. So final thoughts. It's definitely well built, it's solid. I'm not worried about it warping or if I want to use a fire like I would with the aluminum one. It's going to be durable, you know, if any accidents, you know, or anything else in your kit hits it or whatever, I'm not going to be worried about that. So that's pros. I can't fault it for that. The burn time for the water, that was, you know, over 20 minutes. That was quite, I didn't expect it to be that long. So I'm not sure if it was that, which is another Pathfinder product, or I did put a lot of water in it. So that would have been more water for just the mashed potatoes and a cup of coffee. I'm sure I would have gotten it a few minutes knocked off if I wasn't, you know, more than halfway full. So, but other than that, it's great. I mean, this pack will do me well. I mean, the other pack that I bought separately for it, that's going to be, you know, a game changer with having the kitchen, the pot, the pans, everything all in one little thing now. So that's going to be good. But let me know what you think. This is my first impression of the Pathfinder Cookset. Like again, in the comments, guys, let me know what you think. Thanks, guys, for watching, and I'll catch you next video. Bye.